Determine which statements in 6 through 16 are true and which are false. Prove those that are true and disprove those that are false. If R is any rational number and S is any irrational number, then R over S is irrational. Now let's test a couple values for R and S. Let's pick values for R and S that satisfy the premise of this conditional statement. So R needs to be a rational number. I'll pick 1. And S needs to be an irrational number, something like square root of 2. Now 1 over the square root of 2, which is R over S, is irrational. And so from here, it looks like the statement is true. But let's test some more values. If I do 3 and pi, then yeah, 3 divided by pi is irrational. It's hard to prove that, but it definitely is. We could pick, though, R equals 0 and S equals root 2, because then 0 divided by root 2 is just 0, which is rational. So this is a counterexample, which means that the original statement is false. Thanks, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.